Hey there, this is Ethan, and I am back with another video with a couple updates and observations I'd like to share. I've purchased a different brand light bulb, and this one is Bulbright heat lamp. Again, like the others, it is 250 watts and BR40 red. Just like this one is also BR40. The Philips is R40, and they're all 250 watts. My observation is you cannot see that in the camera. Maybe you can. The light coming out of the color, the red out of this one is closer to a maroon, darker red. This one is in between this and this. So this is the Philips red, and that's this one is this brand here, and it's a brighter red. This red here is closer to this red here, which is the Bulbright. What I noticed out of these four different brands is that the Philips is the hottest one of them. I can't tell you why, but just by touching and just by by sensing with my hand and my body, because I have been using this, I can tell you this is the hottest one of the four. But I noticed today that this one is making a noise. Maybe if I get the camera close enough you might hear it. It's just that humming noise. The others are not making that. I'm not sure if the noise is the bulb itself or if it's the socket. So I've turned them on and off selectively, and that's how I figured out that the noise was coming from this one. What I would be doing next is moving this bulb to a different socket, and I will see if the noise follows that or if the noise stays in this light fixture up here. Okay, these are the observations I had to share with you.